Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a message on WhatsApp without having to save the phone number to your contact list. This is especially useful if you just want to send a one-time message to someone, like a delivery person, an online seller, or a business, and don't want to clutter your phone book with temporary contacts. We're going to use a simple and official feature from WhatsApp called Click to Chat. Let's begin. Method 1. First, open your preferred web browser. For this example, we'll use Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type the following URL, https://wa.me/phone_number. Once you've entered the correct link, press enter on your keyboard or tap go on your phone. You'll be taken to a WhatsApp webpage that says Chat on WhatsApp with the number you entered. Below that, there's a green button that says Continue to Chat. Click or tap that button. If you're on a mobile phone, this will automatically open the WhatsApp app and take you straight to the chat screen with that number. If you're on a computer, it will either open WhatsApp web if you're logged in, or prompt you to scan the QR code if you haven't connected your phone yet. And that's it. You can now start chatting with that number instantly, without ever having to add them to your contact list. Method 2. Open a chat room with yourself. Then type the number you want to send a message to without saving the number. Then send it. After sending, tap the number. Then 3 options will appear. Please select the first option, Chat with, and that's it. Now you can send messages even if the number is not saved. It's very easy, isn't it? This method is completely free, secure, and officially supported by WhatsApp. It's perfect for temporary conversations, online purchases, or business inquiries where saving the number just isn't necessary.